Today we're going to be installing a Novitec exhaust system onto this F12 Berlinetta. We'll be showing you the before sound, also the full install, and then we're going to take it on the road for a shakedown, put those valves open and full send it. So stick about, let's get this in the workshop, see what goes on. After getting it up on the ramp, we remove the under trays, both the back boxes and centre section. We had to drop the subframe to gain access to both cuts. And fitted the new sports cat to next pipe. We connected all the sensors, put the subframe back on and wired in the exhaust module. Next we fitted both back boxes and aligned them with the tips on the rear bumper. Now it's time for the fun part. And there we go, guys. That was the full installation and sound of the Novitec exhaust system being fitted to an F12 Berlinetta. If you're looking to get any performance upgrades done to your supercar or high performance car, be sure to check out our website. But until then, like, follow, subscribe, you know, the fun stuff. But also, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.